Guys, today we have an awesome video. I'm gonna upgrade my HP Victus 15L to 2TB SSD 2.5 SATA disk, and then I'm gonna swap out my 16 gig RAM to 32 gig RAM, guys. We jump into the video, guys, and we open this one. Let's go. You must take out that screw from this, that you get the backplate off. That I must be at my gym bench. No, you just the one screw, guys, and you get this plate off. Now we see a little bit inside, guys, here. So next step, so much dust already. It's good that I opened this, but we take this also out, guys. Little bit secret tip, guys, to the SATA hard drive that I'm gonna reveal end of the video, so keep watching. And I don't think you need this also, guys. It's like a protection to holding the case together. I don't think you need this black one. So much dust here, guys. And what I need also, guys, here I think is more fans. Maybe one fan here also. I don't know. And this is, guys, the 4060, and it's still a space here. I can put a 4070 Super, but now the 50 series come out, so I see that they have a small one, 5060 Ti. I don't think I can put 5070 here because I think it need more supplies than 500, but I see 500 if you have this one. You can have the 4070 inside. So this is, guys, we're gonna take out now, and I'm gonna start with the RAM sticks. I see you cannot take this out if you not take the front plate out. So this we must take little bit to the side. And here you see this cable going here. But I'm not gonna take it out, guys. And then it's like this. I think it's like a screw. This is the screw. I think this is the screw for this case. This one you need. I think this is like a torque or something. It's more easy to screw with. Try to take this screw also. Let me see. Yeah, this one come out. This is my a old Samsung that is come to the computer, 16 gig, the original. Now I'm gonna put that I buying the crucial. Let's look like this. Pull that down. Closer. I think it just can go one way, guys. Just put it there and go down. Oh. I don't know if it's down or not. I think it's just that guy. You don't have to have any force to that. This is not popping here. Why? Now. All right. Now we have the RAM stick. I hope it's work, guys. So I know next time, guys, when you put the RAM, that when you push it down, you must have a little bit more force. Otherwise this not going inside. I have a little bit problem with this one, but I hope it's work now. So guys, after the RAM upgrade, now we're gonna put this SSD SATA 2 terabyte here like this, because on this computer and that last screw guys here. I don't need 4 screws because the SSD SATA is not so heavy. And this case is so heavy. Okay, with the three screw guys, so it looks like this now. Stuck here. Now we just mount it back. I cannot have this cable here. I'm gonna take it out because otherwise this cable I think you must like put from up here. I'm gonna put the cables from down when I have the case here. So I'm gonna take this cable out and use it some other time. We take the new cable instead, the SATA cable. And this we put here, guys, the straight one here to the blue one. It's like a two different places you can put this. What is this one? That's it, guys, and then we is like a better this new cable. You just put it like this. This is so long, so you can try to put little bit the cable inside here, the bracket. Cable management. So long inside. You must, guys, first put this bracket here before you put the cables. You put it like this and then you put the cables in here. Otherwise you cannot put the cables if you have already like installed the bracket. And this power cable. Or bracket back to the place. So guys, I forget this side plate, but maybe you don't need this. You just like put this under here. I don't know if that front panel has something to do with this. You just like put this here and with the screw. But this is how it looks now, guys. So here, I think it's good if maybe some fan or something here. I don't know. I see some mods to put fan, little fan here. Or on, if you like have a hole here, take away this one and up to the roof you have like a fan. Guys, this side plate you put you're sliding from here, I think, like this way. Guys, I finally get this side plate here. It was a hassle. And now we put this last screw that holding that this side place together. I think it's gonna be here. Check if it's working 32 gig and the 2 terabyte. Give me thumbs up and subscribe and push the notification bell. And give me guys comments what you have modded this computer with. Have you changed the power supply and put like a more powerful graphic cards in? Give me guys comments and we check if it's working. So we go here to guys to task manager also, and you see here on the, you can like see the memory here is 32 here, 32. This is so nice to have this because now it's using 6 and before I have it's like a 18 before. No 16. 3200 MTS DIMM. Yes, so you'll see here that it's like working correctly. Oh guys, the last one with the SATA hard drive. And here you see now when I installed the SSD and stored my computer, but this is not popping up here. I have done this secret thing already, so this was not here before, so I just like I wonder what happened with my new hard drive when it's not popping up here, guys. So what you must do here, guys, you're writing here partisans, this one. You write that after you install it to the computer, this partisans, click it, and this the first time when this pop up. Now I do it already, but it's gonna come like a screen here that it's gonna like say that you must like format this. This is the new hard drive, and you right click it like this, and here you must, but this already is like a pop up this screen here, and you must like format it, guys. And here you can like write what you want, this new hard drive name, and this you must have this NTFS and default. And then you must like click it that they like installing it for you. And when you like do everything like correctly here, then when you go to the like a field manager, this is gonna pop up here, your new hard drive, after you like format it. But now I don't have anything here, so it's nothing on here, guys. Can go here to the properties, guys, so you see here that is full free space, almost a 2 terabyte here. So that's it, guys. So this is it, guys, this video. So let me give me comments, guys, what you have modded this pre-built Victus 15 liter HP, and we see in the next one, guys.